Hello, my name is Juliana, and today I will be making energy bites. This is a recipe inspired by Olive Gardens. It's an easy snack to make and does not require any baking at all. Here are the ingredients we're going to be using. Toasted oats, you can toast them from 2 to 3 minutes. Cranberries, or you can use whatever type of dried fruit you would like. Chocolate chips, walnuts, half of a mushed banana, cinnamon, a little bit of syrup, and peanut butter. If you are allergic to peanut butter, you can use cashew butter or almond butter. Now we're going to be putting the ingredients in. One more thing, when I am going to be mushing the things together, I'm going to be using gloves because this is also for my family members. So. I'm going to put my gloves on and start mushing it together. So I think this is a good consistency. So now I'm going to be making my little balls. I'm going to be taking my gloves off for this to make it a little bit easier, but I wash my hands. So now I have washed my hands. So now we're going to try our finishing product. That's good. Hope you enjoyed this recipe as well. To get more recipes like this, visit the website olivedgardens.org.